for mobile games in 2025. Hey there! Want to know how to make your mobile game stand out in the App Store or Google Play without ads? Then let's talk about ASO, App Store Optimization. Did you know that optimizing a mobile game for the App Store is completely different from optimizing a regular app? And that a small ASO tweak can boost your game's downloads overnight? Let's dive into how ASO for games really works in 2025 and why you need to care. ASO stands for App Store Optimization. It's the process of improving your app or game's visibility in app stores, so more people can find it, download it, and enjoy it. But ASO isn't just about visibility, it's also about conversion. When users find your app or game, are they actually motivated to install it? Games face much higher competition. Users' expectations are different, and the way players choose a game is not the same as how they choose a productivity app. That's why ASO for mobile games has its own rules. Apps and games, what's the difference in ASO? You might think, wait, isn't ASO the same for all apps? Not quite. Games are different, and here's why. When people search for apps, they usually look for tools. For example, budget tracker, habit app, photo editor. They have a need, and they are searching for a solution. But when people search for games, they want entertainment. They look for genres, moods, and mechanics. For example, racing offline, puzzle game novettes, farming simulator. So, ASO for games focuses more on genre, gameplay mechanics, emotions, and vibes, like relaxing, challenging, fast-paced, and so on. That's why your keyword strategy, description, even your game name should reflect what kind of experience you offer. About game market. The mobile gaming market is booming. Fast 4G and 5G connection make multiplayer seamless, while the free-to-play model keeps users engaged and spending. Even with fewer installs, players are more active. The number of game sessions increased by 12%. Average game time increased by 7.9%. In-app revenue is 4% higher. ASO matters more than ever to reach this engaged and paying audience. Quick question. What's your favorite mobile game and why do you think you found it? Let us know in the comments. We'd love to hear your take. ASO for mobile games. Key aspects. Let's break down the process. Step 1. Collect the right keywords. Keywords are the words people type in search. Start with what players might search for. Genre, gameplay style, or even emotions like cozy or stress-free. Don't waste time on popular, short keywords like puzzle. They're too competitive. Instead, go for long-tail phrases, for example, match 3 novettes, offline RPG adventure. Instead of guessing keywords, use a dedicated ASO tool like ASOMobile. It helps you find relevant keywords for your game or competitors based on real user searches. Those keywords are easier to rank for and match actual user intent. Let's take a look at how it works with a real example. First, choose a game you're interested in. It can be your own game or a competitor's. Then, add it to the ASOMobile tool. Open the Keyword Finder tool. This is where your research starts. Click on the relevant tab. This section shows you a list of keywords that are directly connected to your app. Those are the words people might use when they search for apps like yours. The more relevant they are, the easier it is for users to find you. Here's what to do next. Tick all the keywords that make sense for your app. Click the plus icon in the top right. This will save them to your Keyword Monitor. Keyword Monitor is your main list of keywords. You can also go to App Keywords and find competitors. From the keyword list, choose one that's highly relevant to your app. Then, click the little icon with 3 vertical bars next to it. It shows top apps in search for that keyword. By analyzing these apps, you'll discover which keywords help them get more downloads, and you can use these insights for your own app strategy. Also, keep seasonality in mind. Update your keywords and visuals for holidays or events, like Halloween or Christmas. Players love timely updates. Step 2. Optimize text metadata. Your game's title is the most important field. Include the genre if your brand isn't famous yet. Start with the title. Big brands like Roblox don't need genre keywords. Their name is enough. But for newer games, it helps to add a genre or mechanic. To optimize your metadata, use ASOMobile tool. Go to the ASO Creator tab. Start filling in your title, subtitle, and description using keywords from your list. Each keyword you use gets highlighted, so you can instantly track your progress. For example, fill in all fields for Royal Match game. Make it a call to action with a keyword. The full description matters too. Use it to explain gameplay, features, and benefits, especially on Google Play, where keywords count for ranking. Tips: use bullet points, keep sentences short, make it easy to scan. The goal: add as many relevant keywords as possible while keeping the text nature and easy to read. And here's a great shortcut. Switch to the AI tab. Write a short description of your app, and the AI will generate an ASO-friendly description for both Google Play and the App Store in seconds. Want more installs? Localize. Step 3. Localization. Start by translating your store page, the title, description, and screenshots. Even if the game stays in English, localized text helps new users discover it. For simple games like Snake, you don't need full translation. But for games with storylines or missions, localization is critical. You can start small, just localize metadata. Translate title, description, and screenshots. Your interface stays in English, but your app shows up in local search. Top games often localize their store listings for dozens of countries, even if the app itself is only in English. In GeoChecker tab, you can look at how other apps do it. It's a simple step that brings real visibility in international markets. Or go big, full localization, including the game interface, best for games with storylines, tutorials, or complex missions. Why bother? Because players will leave if they can understand your game. Bad reviews, lower rankings. If you can't afford full localization yet, start with metadata. It's low effort, high reward. Step 4. Track ASO results. ASO doesn't stop after you upload your game. You have to track results. We use ASOMobile tool. It helps analyze competitors, track keywords, and monitor your market in real time. Keyword rankings, conversion rates, user reviews, organic installs, everything you need in one place. Try ASOMobile 3 days for free and use the promo code ASOGame for 30% off. If a keyword drops, change it. If your rating drops, check reviews. Small tweaks can make a big difference. The goal: more organic installs, downloads without paid ads. To win an ASO for games in 2025, remember this. Know your audience. Focus on gameplay and genre keywords. Localize, even if just metadata. Optimize your title and description to convert. Track your results and improve constantly. You don't need huge budget, just the right strategy. Start small, think long term, grow organically. We've got tons of videos and tutorials on our channel to help you level up. Thanks for watching. And if you have any questions or insights, feel free to drop them in the comments. And don't forget to subscribe to get more useful content about ASO and mobile apps.